Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 39.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, aberrant. Aberrant means deviate from what is normal. Its Hindi meaning is asamanya. Now look at its sentence. His aberrant behavior at the party shocked everyone. Its synonym is abnormal. Moving to the next word, aesthetic. Aesthetic means concerned with beauty or the appreciation of beauty. Its Hindi meaning is saundarya sambandhi. Now look at its sentence. The pictures give great aesthetic pleasure. Its synonym is artistic. The next word that I have for you is abject. Abject means the state of being extremely unhappy, poor, unsuccessful. Its Hindi meaning is dayaniya. Now look at its sentence. After his wife died, he was an abject man. Its synonym is wretched. The next word that I have for you is aggrandize. Aggrandize means to enhance the power, wealth and position. Its Hindi meaning is badhana. Now look at its sentence. The king intended to aggrandize the dynasty. Its synonym is enlarge. Look at our next word, apropos. Friends, in this S letter is silent. Its pronunciation is apropos. It means relevant. Its Hindi meaning is uchit. Now look at its sentence. You will find the last paragraph extremely apropos. Its synonym is appropriate. Moving to the next word, ardor. Ardor means great enthusiasm or passion. Its Hindi meaning is utsaha. Now look at its sentence. His eyes were bright with ardor. Its synonym is zeal. The next word that I have for you is amulet. Amulet means ornament worn as a charm against evil spirits. Its Hindi meaning is tabiz. Now look at its sentence. He gave him an amulet. Its synonym is lucky charm. Moving to our next word, ameliorate. Ameliorate means make better. Its Hindi meaning is sudhar ya fir unnati. Now look at its sentence. She wanted to ameliorate the situation. Its synonym is rectify. The next word is abysmal. Abysmal means extremely bad. In Hindi you can say बहुत बुरा. Now look at its sentence. The quality of her work is abysmal. Its synonym is appalling. Last but not least is abjure. Abjure means to reject. Its Hindi meaning is tyagna. Now look at its sentence. He tried to make his son abjure his religion. Its synonym is renounce. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the meaning of rectify? A. Improve. B. Fight. C. Pretend. D. Deny. Give me answer of this question in comment box.